Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you 3 customer service representative jobs that are actively hiring right now. So if you are someone that enjoys working from the comfort of your home, or you are a stay-at-home mom, or you just want to work remotely, this video is for you. The good part is that this job does not require any degree or special certification. All that is required is the ability to communicate in spoken and written English. So right now, I'm going to walk you straight to my computer screen. So welcome to the next slide. These 3 companies I want to share with you right now are currently looking for remote customer service representatives. So if after highlighting these job vacancies and you feel this align with you, or the job goes well with your experience, please do well to apply for this job. So before we get started, guys, please, this is a big disclaimer coming from me. I am not the employer of this job, neither am I affiliated with the company hiring this job. I am only sharing this for you to find a legitimate work you can do online and also for educational purposes. So do well to do your background check and research to confirm the authenticity of this job opportunity. And also, I'm going to be showing you some quick tips on how you can check out if these jobs are legitimate or not. So guys, without wasting much time, let's head over to job number 1. So number 1, our list is this customer support agent posted by this company called Credit Group. So Credit Group is one of the fastest growing B2B service providers based in Cyprus. We develop, maintain and deploy various IT and customer-based services to numerous businesses in various industries around the world. This company was founded in the year 2018, and then it says we are looking for talented customer support representative to join our team remotely. The salary of this job ranges from the rate of 1,400 to 2,000 euro per month. So this is a very good one. The pay is fair enough, 1,400 to 2,000 euro per month, and also performance bonuses depending on your experience and your performance. What I love about this customer support work is most of them do give out performance bonuses. So any month you put in more work, you carry out and perform more tasks than any other person in your team, you are entitled to a performance bonus. But any month you fail to perform well, that bonus won't get to you. So you have to put in the work if you want to gain or get access to the performance bonuses. So now he said you are scheduled to work 4 days in and 4 days off. This is fair enough. You work for 4 days in a week and then you are entitled to 4 days off. All right. So now he said an option of 2 shifts to permanently put on blah 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 Cyprus local time. This is just the time. So you are entitled to 2 permanent shifts, which is going to be put on Cyprus local time. So mind you, this company is a Cyprus-based company, so you can work from anywhere, or you can as well apply from any part of the world. All right. So now, what are your job description? This is what this company expects from you if you want to apply. So bear these descriptions in mind. These are things you are supposed to carry out as your responsibilities while working as a customer support or representative to this credit group company. All right. So number 1, it says communication with customers through live chat and emails. Maintain prompt and empathetic attitude towards customers. Acknowledge and resolve customers' issues and queries. Keeping up to date with product teams, offers and function. Report and escalate advanced customer queries to the relevant department. Perform first step investigation on queries and issues. So one thing I like about this particular one, this is just about live chats and emails. So this support work does not require you to make phone calls. All you have to do is to chat through live chat and emails, communicate with customers through live chat and emails. You don't need to go ahead making calls and all that. So if you are looking for a customer support work that does not require you making phone calls, this one is best fit for you. So go ahead and give it a shot. Okay. So now, what are the experience and qualification of this job? Proficiency in both written and verbal English with excellent language skill. So you must be outspoken verbally and written. So if you want to apply for this job, so make sure you have this qualification. Okay. Another qualification you are required to have or possess is strong communication abilities, enabling effective interaction and collaboration. You must know how to work with a team. You must know how to collaborate with a team for you to apply for this job. Another one is your solid computer literacy and adapt typing skills. One thing about customer service representative role is that it requires you to type very fast. So you must be a very it requires you to type very fast. So you must know how to type fast for you to apply for this role. This role is not for slow typer. So if you know you are not fast typer, please don't go near this job. Okay. Another one is ability to perform effectively within a multitasking work environment. So you must be able to perform multiple tasks simultaneously if you are to apply for this job. Okay. 2 years experience in online customer support is mandatory. So you must have 2 years experience in customer support for you to be able to apply for this particular role. So anything less than 2 years, please don't bother applying. Okay. So now, what does this job offer to you? What are the benefits and peaks of this job opportunity? Now, number one benefit of what this job offers to you is a competitive and attractive remuneration packages that values your skills and contribution. The chance to join a dynamic, fast thinking European company and play a key role in its success. Performance based monthly bonuses and ability to work flexible from any part of the world. So all you need to do is to click on the apply now button if you have the experience they are looking for, or if you feel you are the best fit for this position. Go ahead and apply right now and stand the chance of being interviewed or hired. So remember, I told you earlier I was going to show you how to spot out job scam. So we are going to do a quick domain lookup to see if this company Greg Group is actually legit or inauthentic. So what I want you to do now is to copy the domain name. This is the domain name. This is actually a subdomain, which is jobs.craigroup.com. This is their career page. So we are going to copy their domain name, which is this here, and then head over to this website called domain age checker. So we are going to open this website. So what we are going to do here, we are going to check out the age of this domain. Most of these scam websites don't stay too long on the web before getting knocked down. So what we are going to do, we are going to check the year of this domain, the first time this domain was registered. So let's check it and see. So as you can see, this domain has been registered for over 8 years and 4 months and 10 days. So remember, this company says they are being founded in the year 2018. So you can do your calculation to see if it tallies with their domain age. So this is how you can actually know if this is scam or not. Please mind you, I'm not saying this job is 100% authentic, but I'm just giving you a quick tip in order not to waste your time applying for fake jobs. Okay. Number two job on our list is coming from Smartbug Media. This company is hiring for the role of a CRM strategist. So Smartbug Media is the most decorated hotspot agency, recognized as a leader in crafting digital solutions that empower organizations to strive across the entire customer lifecycle. From marketing and sales to revenue operations, customer success, and e-commerce, we combine sound strategies, cutting-edge AI, and digital innovation to deliver solutions that de-risk the future and drive sustainable growth. So take your time to go through about the company, and then what are the key responsibilities for you to possess before applying for this job. So these are the responsibilities: strategic technical design, lead the architectural design of hotspot instances, ensuring data schema, custom objects, and property mapping aligning with clients' RevOps strategy, native integration management. Just take your time and go through all this here. These are revenue engine optimization, data governance, business process mapping, reporting and analytics. So the requirement of this job opportunity, here are the requirements: technical experience, minimum of 5 years of experience, and rev up expertise, analytical skills. So this position is open to paying you the sum of $75,000 to $95,000 a year. So this is your yearly salary and not monthly. Please, I repeat, this is yearly and not monthly. But for what I can see here, $75,000 a year to $95,000 a year is a very good one. If you ask me, is a very good pay. So what you need to do, if this job key in with you, you have all it takes to apply for this job. So go ahead and click on the apply button now to apply for this job. To apply is pretty easy. When you click on this apply, it's going to take you to the next page where you upload your resume, your full name, just it's a self-explanatory steps to apply. So it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and answer all these simple queries and then upload your cover letter if you are being asked to. Once you are done, you click on this submit application button. So now let's do a quick name lookup on the internet to see if this smartbug is the one hiring for this job. So now we are going to copy this smartbug media. We are going to check the name on Google. So now this is smartbug media. So we are going to head over to their career page. This is their culture and careers, or let's just open it first. Let's do it accordingly. Let's open the website. So this is smartbug media. We are going to head over to their career page. Most time you see the career at the footer section of the website. Career, okay, here is it. So let's open it up. So now see open positions. We are going to click on it. So as you can see, these are other open positions, not just for CRM strategists. They are open for AVP, clients, account management, customer solution architect. So they still have more opportunities. When you click on it, you see a lot of open vacancies these companies are hiring for. So you can see French speaking, blah blah blah, SEO, marketing strategies. They have a whole lot of available position currently going on. Okay, so this is the role of the CRM strategist. Let's open it. As you can see, this is just where we left now. So this is coming from Smartbug Media truly. So what we're going to do now, you're going to check out this Smartbug Media to see how many years they've been in service according to their domain history. So we're going to open up the website again, domain name checker. We head over to this website. Okay, so the reason of we doing this is just to be sure so that we don't end up applying to fake jobs. So we want to be sure that this company are the one hiring for this position. Wow, as you can see, Smartbug Media has been in existence since 2008, and their domain age is as old as 17 years, 11 months, 0 days. So this is coming from a legit company, I guess. So, but please note, I am not giving a guarantee that this job is 100% authentic, but as what we can see on the internet now, this company has been existing for the past 17 years. I believe this is an authentic company. So at your own time, you can do your background check, do more research on this company to know if they are legitimate or not. So we are coming to the end of this video, but before we wrap up this video, let's quickly look at the number 3 available customer service representative job. Okay, so this is the number 3. As you can see, it says fully remote customer support, order management and social media manager for e-commerce brand. So this is a full-time opportunity. As you can see, it's a full-time job, so it's not a part-time job. If you are looking for a part-time job, this particular one here is not for you. So this is a full-time remote job. The deadline to this job is July 8th, 2026. This is a remote job. You can work from anywhere in the world. They don't discriminate. Anywhere you are coming from, either in Africa, Asia, or any country you are coming from, you are entitled to apply to this job. So don't bother about your country or region. You can apply so long you know what you are doing and also you meet up to the criteria. You can go ahead and apply for this role. Okay, so the hiring company is Select Sonas, and it says we are currently looking for customer support and order management specialists to own the order journey end to end, placing order with our suppliers, keeping customers informed proactively, and resolving issues with the kind of white glove care a high ticket purchase deserves. Blah 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 blah. So just take your time and go through this description. And then what are you expected to carry out? What are you supposed to do when you get hired? Number one is to handle inbound contacts, or place and manage supply orders, assign and communicate tracking, reach out proactively, resolve complaints and issue, keep record clean, manage social media accounts. So these are the description of this job, or what you are supposed to do, your responsibilities. And then this is what they are looking for. They are looking for someone with 1 to 3 years of experience in e-commerce support. So for you to apply for this job, you must have worked with an e-commerce website before as a support specialist, at least have 1 to 3 years of experience. I think the experience is fair enough. 1 year is an entry level, and 2 years, 3 years is also an experienced job level. So if you have just 1 year of experience in customer support, give this one a try. Okay. Another one is excellent written and verbal English communication. So you must be outspoken for you to enroll for this vacancy, and also you must know how to speak English written and verbally. Okay. Another one is comfortable on phone with customer, including pre-sales conversation. You must know how to conversate with customers over the phone. So this particular one has to do with you chatting, emailing, and also being on calls with customers. So it's not just a chat and email kind of support work. This work involves you to be on call with customers or clients. Okay. So another one is a strong attention to details. You must have this strong urgency to paying attention to details. Okay, self-directed and reliable in a fully remote environment. You must know how to work remotely, not the type that when you're working you can hear some background noise around you or you are being distracted. So if you are applying for this job, make sure you have a conducive environment to work remotely. Okay. Another one is self-dedicated and reliable. Blah blah. Okay, I just said this. Comfortable learning and working, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you must have experience in Zendesk, Salesforce, and all, or at least 1 to 2 CRM software. Okay, so how do you apply for this particular position? It says send an email with subject your name, CSR application, to this email address here. So send it, and then the email should include your resume, a voice note under 2 minutes, introducing yourself, letting us know why you are a great fit for this role, and mentioning your previous relevant experience. So go ahead and apply for this job, and then stand a chance to getting hired this year. No time to procrastinate. Do it right away, and then come back to this channel if you eventually get hired. So what I do in this channel is that I post regular job vacancies across the world. So always make sure to follow me on my channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any job vacancies. See you in my next video.